Hey guys, you're watching Desimartini and my name is Zinia Bandyopadhyay. Today we have with us none other than Ritvik Sahore, who's basking from the success of Indori Ishq. Yaar, matlab, Ritvik has always been this cute guy who has appeared in shows, and web series. Suddenly, matlab, kaise Indori Ishq jaisa ek character aapne kaise kiya? Kunal. Kunal was the name of your character, right?
Kunal,
Yes.
yeah, exactly. मतलब that is one of the reasons मैं चाहता था ऐसा कुछ करना, because you're right. Since the beginning, मुझे roles भी ऐसे ही offer हुए, and or maybe somewhere I connected to these kind of roles. मतलब वो cute, shy, introvert, boy next door वाला जो एक vibe है, तो वो था, and I enjoyed playing those roles. I was having a lot of fun. But अब रिसेंटली थोड़ा मेरे लिए भी एज एन एक्टर थोड़ा वो हो गया था कि यार आई वांटेड टू डू एक कंफर्ट जोन बन गया था थोड़ा, बोरिंग कहेंगे, बॉर्डर लाइन बोरिंग भी हो गया था क्योंकि आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग न्यू, वांटेड टू ट्राई समथिंग, एंड मैं वेट ही कर रहा था काफी टाइम से फॉर समथिंग लाइक दैट टू कम माय वे. बट ऐसा भी होता था कि कुछ वैसा आता था तो शायद स्क्रिप्ट पसंद नहीं आती थी या स्टोरी पसंद नहीं आती थी, ऐसा होता. सो आई रिमेम्बर, एंड मजे की बात यह है कि मेरी जो पहली फिल्म थी फेरारी की सवारी, उसके जो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर जिन्होंने मुझे कास्ट किया था, मिस्टर रोहन मापुस्कर, he only called me for Indori Ishq क्योंकि वो इंदौर इश्क की भी कास्टिंग, हाँ, and this is the second time we're working together right after Ferrari Ki Sawari, so it's been around 6-7 years. So he called me for Indori, and he's like my he's my mentor, and he got me my first film, so I trust him, and he told me, you read the script, you read the story, and trust me, this role you don't want to miss out on. And I read the story and I was like, yeah, this is something different and काफी explore करने मिलेगा, लोगों को भी कुछ different देखने मिलेगा. So yeah, that was the reason I took it up.
Right. Also, matlab Kunal जैसा एक character है. He's very, how would I put it? Somewhat toxic, of course, but he's also very passionate, which is why that toxicity has built up. So while you were playing that character, such an intense character, did you feel any change that came from you within, or did Ritvik as a person change somewhere in the line?
I mean, sure, it sometimes gets to you to a certain extent, because you're crying 10 days in a row, or you're just sad. For example, अगर as a human being also अगर आप 5 दिन बहुत sad रहो या बहुत sad चीजें देखो अपने अराउंड, तो mentally भी थोड़ा वैसे एक negative हो जाता है, तो एक वैसा space हो जाता है. It doesn't like personally ऐसे कुछ ऋत्विक पे कुछ effect नहीं हुआ. But yes, थोड़ा while doing those scenes, or जैसे we were shooting 5-6 days वैसे ही scenes कर रहे थे, वैसा कर रहे थे, so it definitely used to get to me. थोड़ा लगता था, off लगता था. I didn't used to feel nice per se, but that again only helped the character, because that's how Kunal was in the show. And when we shot the happy parts, it was all hunky dory and we were having a lot of fun. But obviously when jo intense parts they required that kind of zone and environment on set, so, and I think the crew really helped me with it. So yeah, I mean ऐसे change नहीं आया, but yes, वो थोड़ा mood को alter करता था.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो जोन में अगर आप एक बार घुस जाते हो ना, तो वहां से निकलने में भी काफी it taxing on a person to
it is right, it's taxing. मतलब like after the end of an intense day, I used to feel very physically tired, तो हो ही जाते हैं, but I also used to feel mentally and internally drained and exhausted, क्योंकि giving out so much, तो by the end of the day लगता है कि बस अब मुझे जाके सोना है. I don't even want to move. I just want to go to the room and just sleep. So that used to be the space.
Right. Also, I was thinking कि अगर उस जोन में जैसे आप थे, तब अगर आपका कोई दोस्त आपसे बात कर रहा हो and you are like in Kunal's zone and not Ritvik's zone, तो काफी स्यापा हो जाता.
Yeah. So no, actually, I used to, even my friends and my family, so that used to be my, because that's my real world, and so that used to be during, because we were shooting non-stop. हमने कोविड जब फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन खुला था उसमें ही शूट किया था, सो थिंग्स वर वेरी, उसका भी टेंशन था कि कोविड ना हो जाए किसी को, एंड एक्स्ट्रा प्रिकॉशंस ये वो. सो आफ्टर शूट आल्सो I wanted to get out of Kunal's world and be in my own world for my peace of mind. So I used to when I used to come back home, I used to just meet my friends for 10 minutes and 15 minutes, just talk about their day, talk about my day, and just get out of that zone. So with my parents also. So
To feel
thankfully they
like
also really
Ritvik
helped me.
again.
Yeah, they helped me stay sane during that period. But अगर कुणाल उनके सामने निकल जाता तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती. Fortunately नहीं हुआ.
Okay. Also, I have heard that you are shooting for, Escape Lives, if I'm correct.
Right.
Yes,
Escape Live. Yes.
it's an adventure thriller. It's a
Yeah.
So what is this series about? Because I am really excited. I have not heard something like an adventure thriller. So what is this about?
I mean, it's got a lot of things in it. It's actually a little sci-fi adventure thriller kind of space, and yeah, I mean, the director, Mr. Siddharth Kumar Tiwari, and his whole team. We all spend a lot of time on the show. There are a lot of brilliant actors, a lot of brilliant technicians on the show, and we're almost done completing the show. 2 साल हो चुके अब शो बनाते बनाते कोविड भी आ गया सब हो गया so finally yeah we were towards the last leg of the show. I start my last leg of the shoot in the first week of October. So कुछ 10-15 दिन का shoot है but there's lots happening. Yeah, I'm doing action. I'm doing you'll see me in a different look. And again it's the story of five, six different characters and their parallel stories and how they interconnect. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I really hope, fingers crossed, that people like it and enjoy it.
Okay, even that sounds fun. And like you said, that it has been almost 2 years since you have been shooting. So there's a lot that you have put into this. So hopefully,
all of us,
yeah, it would show on screen when it comes out, and we are looking forward.
I'm really hoping.
Yeah. Also, like you said, Ritvik, we'll see you doing action in this one. For Kunal, it was a different kind of role. Where you, because you started as a child artist, for you, did you get stereotyped along the way?
Actually, so that was the sole reason. After Ferrari Ki Sawari, I took a can't call it a sabbatical, but I took a 2-3 year break because I was in my school. I was doing my studies. I was in the 7th grade when Ferrari Ki Sawari released. So my parents told me to, at least focus on my studies for now, enjoy my childhood because this time won't come back again. So I think that break, I was doing a little work here and there. ऐसा नहीं था कि बिल्कुल ही कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. But I think being away from the camera for that period of time, it helped me live my childhood. It helped me become the person that I am today, and also helped me stay away from being stereotyped because लोग ज़्यादा भी नहीं देख रहे थे मुझे. I was trying to do different things. I was trying to explore myself as an actor also. So that was my thinking. मुझे stereotype नहीं होना. I want to, and as an actor also, as a person also, I want to do different characters. Playing the same character, I think I would get bored. So I want to keep doing different things. So the next Hotstar show is also a little different from what I've done. Then there's something else that I'm doing that's again different. But then again, I can always bounce back to my comfort zone because we might shoot Flames 3 very soon, Flames season 3.
Oh wow!
So yeah. So yeah, but thankfully, अब तक वो zone नहीं आया कि stereotype हुआ, and I hope कभी ना. I would like to stay away from it. Yeah.
Also, because you were a child artist, or pressure वहाँ पे ना बना होता है कि when you transition into adulthood, would you get the would people approach you? Would you still be a part of the industry? वो insecurity, even as a child, as children, we are even more insecure because we don't understand the bigger picture. तो वो कभी आपको लगी that I don't know what's going to happen, should I be saying no to projects, ऐसा कुछ like did you go there?
Yes, कभी ऐसा एक thought आता था कि यार so after Ferrari I actually I never wanted to become an actor. मतलब मैं बहुत छोटा भी था to think of acting as a career or as a profession for me. But when Ferrari happened, I really enjoyed the process, and I really enjoyed making that film, being a part of that film, and it really moved me. So that's why I thought, as a child only, I thought, this is what I would like to do for the rest of my life, at least for now, because I was having a lot of fun, and my parents were supportive of it. So उस reason से I continued doing it. But हाँ, जैसे ये notion होता है कि you're a child actor, then you transition into becoming a teen and then an adult. And it's not always the case that people, because people have seen you as a child, so they don't really accept you as an adult. But I never really gave much heed to it. I just wanted to be a part of good stories, tell good stories, and work with good people. That was the aim. And yes, मैंने अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट ढूंढने के लिए मैंने काफी चीजों को ना भी बोला है, जिसकी वजह से I was not doing a lot of work for a long time.
Right.
But my only goal was that I want to be associated with good films, good projects, no matter in what capacity, bada chota, that doesn't really matter to me. But just be a part of good projects and bask in that experience and have fun. So that was the goal, and so far I'm enjoying what I'm doing. um, so yeah, I mean, ऐसे personally ऐसे एक stress दिमाग में सबके होता है, I think हर child actor के दिमाग में होता है, but it never really personally never really got to me.
Okay. Also, the fact that you have worked with some of the biggest names of the industry, throughout, and then if you are ever called for audition या कुछ, वो कभी क्या लगता है कि यार मैंने इतना सारा काम किया है, अभी भी यार मुझको तुम audition पे बुला रहे हो, या you are getting rejected? Does that get to you?
Yeah, rejection used to get to me. I mean, I used to get initially very, like when I started out and फिर auditions होते थे. So it really used to hurt me, and I used to be sad for weeks. कि क्या हो गया, क्यों नहीं मैं शायद कभी acting कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं. I don't think I'm an actor. Maybe I'm not cut out for it. So ये सारे thoughts आते थे. But eventually I have to learn that rejection is a part and parcel of this job. And um, यहाँ पे है यार, and rejection can be काफी चीजों की, आपका look नहीं होता या काफी चीजें होती है, मतलब it's not just because you're not a good actor. तो वो भी होता है. And यार, I mean, I personally enjoy auditions because I mean, उधर एक freedom होता है to do whatever you want to, without any inhibition or without any, वो डर नहीं होता कि यार ये कैमरा में कैप्चर होकर रिलीज हो जाएगा. You can just
Be yourself.
give, हाँ, मतलब 150% आप कुछ भी कर लो. And obviously there are people that are collaborative that tell you ऐसे करो तो और मजा आता है. It's a very collaborative this thing. I don't like self tests. I like going there, going to the casting office and giving audition. Self test मुझे थोड़ा off लगता है. But I don't have a problem. I mean, it's a part, again, it's a part of the job. If you want a particular job, or if you want to play a particular character, agar my director होता, I would want my actor to be able to do something. And I would like to see that before I sign him or her on the project. So yeah, I respect that, and I love to give auditions. So that's not an issue.
Okay. That's such a good way, because यार मुझे ना ऐसा लगता है कि when you have such a body of work which you have done, and you have pulled through very good roles as a child, as a teenager, so जब वहाँ पे competition आ जाता है कि यार a newbie is coming and probably he or she is better than me, then it can get to you. But the way you said that you enjoy auditions and you look forward to them, that's great. That's great.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, there are so many amazing actors like we have today. People my age, people older than me, younger than me. I've met so many people at the auditions who are so good. And I wish them all the best, because we're all working to get that one project. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. And hota hai yaar, matlab, agar koi director, if they know you, if they know your body of work, they cast you without even giving an audition. Some people want to be extra sure, they take auditions, and I mean, I'm completely fine either way.
Okay. Also, you talked about Flames 3, which might get shot in a few days. So I would really want to ask you about your future projects.
Yeah, so Flames is one of them. There's another project that I can't talk about yet. But it's quite exciting. I would, as soon as I get the green light, I would like to talk about it. But yes, Flames 3, abhi bhi writing stage mein hai. but we'll soon start shooting it. क्योंकि लोग मुझे रोज अभी भी पूछते रहते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे कि कब आ रहा है फ्लेम्स 3, कब जल्दी रिलीज करो. सो आई रियली वांट टू टेल देम, बट हर एक कोई रिप्लाई नहीं कर सकता. सो मे बी दिस इज अ मीडियम वेयर आई कैन टेल देम कि जल्द आएगा, एंड आई अश्योर यू आएगा, बट आई कांट टेल व्हेन. But I'm equally excited and equally waiting for it.
Yes, so we are absolutely looking forward to it. Also the fact कि आपसे तो ये पूछना बनता ही है, because you have worked in so many वो short films that have come up on the web, and now OTT in the last 2-3 years it just suddenly boomed. So
yes,
do you think that's like an extra way जहाँ पे आप अपने talent को ज़्यादा दिखा सकते हो, because it gives you a bigger scope, right, through series,
OTT, right?
Yeah. So do you feel
yeah
that?
Yeah, absolutely. हाँ बिल्कुल, because I mean films और OTT दोनों ही, but OTT में क्या है, like films have a time limit. कि अब 2 घंटे या 3 घंटे से ज्यादा, या तो लोग बोर हो जाते 3 घंटे ज्यादा, किसी का टाइम नहीं होता एक स्ट्रेच में देखने का, या वो फॉर्मेट ही नहीं होता 2-3 घंटे में लोग शूट करते. So you have to tell a story in a span of 2 to 3 hours. But series में ऐसा कोई वो नहीं है. You can make 10 episodes, you can make 10 seasons, you can make 5 episodes of 20 seasons. So that's all up to you. But and people can pause, play, whatever, anytime. So it's become that easy. But yes, since you have 10 episodes at your disposal, it's easier to explore the character more, give the story, give the narrative more time, more space. So again, that also helps a screenplay, a show, or a movie. And yeah, I think काफी अभी जैसे OTT पे censorship है, but it's there's a lot more freedom in terms of censorship also. I feel some people take undue advantage of it as well, but I think that's good, having that freedom. People can really show things जितना real हो सके उस तरीके में. And yeah, I mean अभी इतना content, नया content आ रहा है, people are experimenting so much. So I think it's a great time for actors and filmmakers alike to make good content, and people are watching it actually, because ये lockdown की एक ही अच्छी चीज हुई है कि लोग content ज़्यादा consume कर रहे हैं और ये सारा हो रहा है. So I think it's a good time for
OTT had come at a juncture na jahan pe Indian audiences were anyway steering forward to content driven films, and then suddenly you have OTT, so you have the avenue to look at everything, like the world comes to you in your screen. So that way it is a great
it's one click away, so it's that easy.
Right. So I also think, like you said about censorship, I think that had Indori Ishq gone for a theatrical release, then
it would have been
real nahi lagta, probably the
correct
connect that we felt, so that
correct.
Also, coming to the last question, जैसा मैंने बोला था Ritvik, do you think that I missed anything or something that you want to talk about? जो मैंने ऐसे ही
No, yeah. मुझे तो मजा आया बहुत, and I think we covered everything.
We covered everything, right?
Yeah.
So before you go, I have to ask this personal life के बारे में अगर ना पूछे ना, अगर actors के personal life के बारे में ना पूछे, तो incomplete लगता है मुझे.
हाँ जी पूछिए.
So are you single?
I'm single, yes, I'm single currently.
अरे, and who's your celebrity crush फिर तो?
My celebrity crush would be Alia Bhatt.
So
I love her.
So are you looking forward to doing a film with her?
I would love to do, like, मैं उनके फिल्म में एक passing देने को भी तैयार है. I just want to work with her, because she's grown so much in all these years, and she's become such a brilliant actor. I mean, I look at her work, she's so real, so natural, so effortless. I don't know how she does it, and I want to see how she does it live, and maybe get a chance to work with her and learn from her. So I mean, that would be great.
Okay, hopefully we see that soon, because it would be interesting.
Yeah, that should. Yeah.
Okay, and the next is one project that you wish you were a part of.
One project that I wish I was a part of. Oh, yeah, this is a tough one. I really wish I was a part of Barfi.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Barfi. Yeah.
Okay, and
Ranbir is my favorite actor, so any of his movies would do, but Barfi particularly.
So you are also looking forward to Brahmastra, na, like us.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
कब से यार
बढ़िया होगी
ब्रह्मास्त्र
एकदम.
आ ही नहीं रहा है.
हाँ. No, but I have a few friends in the film, so and I've heard really good things about the film Touchwood, so it will turn out
Soon.
well, I hope.
Fingers crossed,
Yeah,
soon.
yeah.
Yes. Also, one show that you are currently hooked on to.
I'm currently watching The Office. I know I'm late to the party.
No, it's okay because I'm also watching The Office now. वो भी passing.
You're watching it?
हाँ.
Chalo, perfect. Perfect. So I'm doing that right now and I'm enjoying a lot. So yeah, The Office.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ritvik. That would be it. Ritvik.
Thank you.
I'm pronouncing it
Ritvik.
Yeah. So.
No, it's right, Ritvik. Yeah.
V. So thank you so much, Ritvik, for being a part
thank you so much
of Desimartini, for giving us your time. It was lovely talking to you. Yeah.
Likewise. I had a lot of fun. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Thank you, Zinia. Take care. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.